We learn 10 easy words you can use today. We begin number 1, grüezi, or and ade, adieu, grüezi, grüezi, ade, adieu, means hello and goodbye. Formal, like in Miko or Cope you would say that. Number 2, excuse, excuse, means excuse me, and in a sentence you will maybe say excuse, wo ist die Toilette? Wo sind die Toiletten? Excuse, wo ist die Toilette? Number 3, a spitz, a spitz. Ich spreche a spitz Schweizerdeutsch. Ich spreche a spitz Schweizerdeutsch. Means a little. Number 4, mega fein, mega fein. Der Kuchen war mega fein. Danke. Very tasty. 5. Snatel. Snatel. Hast du mein Natel gesehen? Ist mobile phone. Number 6. Nonig. 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 Haben Sie die E-Mail geschickt? Nonig. Ich mache es sofort. Not yet. Number 7. Goposte. Goposte. Ich gehe heute Goposte. Brauchst du etwas? Is grocery shopping. Number 8 is my favorite word. It means carrot. I have not written that down yet, but it's carrot. Rüebli. Rüebli. Entschuldigung, wo sind die Rüebli? And you might sound a bit funny and it might laugh at you a little bit, but like nobody cares. If they actually show you where the carrots are, you did it right. So don't get yourself disencouraged. If you want to be extra brave, you can use two Swiss words in one sentence and say, excuse, wo sind die Rüebli? Number 9, das Sack or the Säckli. You might know that already from Miko or Coop when they ask you, brauchen Sie noch ein Säckli? It means a bag. So how you would use that would be that might be asked, brauchen Sie eine Tüte? And you say, ja, ich brauche einen Sack. Ja, ich brauche ein Säckli. Danke. And then number 10, Schoki. Schoki, my favorite food. Haben wir noch Schoki oder soll ich noch welche einkaufen? Chocolate. Well, thank you very much for learning Swiss German with me. Let me know if you want to learn other words that you heard or want to use yourself. And reach out. See you soon. Bye.